How important is PDI in the sale of a machine?
It's very important. Traditionally, Star have done PDI checks on any machine that goes out for delivery to a customer. We can spend, several days working on the pre-delivery inspection side of it, but we ensure that the fire extinguisher, the HPC, the filter mist, everything's done here to shorten the amount of time it takes to install the machine at the customer.
So essentially an extra day or two spent here means that the machine's going to hit the deck straight away and run.
Absolutely. I mean, it's very important. The guys do lots and lots of different checks because the machines can be configured for different markets, so there's a lot of parameters that we set, etc., but a lot of safety checks as well. We do those here. So
how many engineers then would you have working in this department?
We've got 2 guys full time in the PDI workshop. As you can see, the lists, they're very extensive, that all the checks that we do to make sure that the machines are standardised for every customer going out the door.